going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Coming at you from Missouri. Where are we at, Missouri? Somewhere in Missouri. we're by St. Louis. Half asleep, man. This drive, we came all the way from the valley. We are like 2 hours from the valley, so we had to go to the valley to pick up our parts car. Don't ask too many questions about it. If you guys watch the channel, you guys know what car this is. It was involved in a collision, and we worked out a deal where now we have a complete parts car. So what we're doing over here is we met this gentleman online, and we're really excited to show you this car and his build. The videos look good enough for us to take the leap and drive all the way up here. It was 17 hours from when we had to pick up the parts car. So pretty much his car is a notch Foxbody, fully converted inside to an S550 dash, and that's always been a dream of his to do it, and it's personally a dream of mine to do it in the S95 also. But I think really the best way to do this, like, I don't think you can do it piecing a kit together. I believe the only way to do this right is to have a complete donor car. You get it like a wrecked car from somewhere with the motor, everything. This guy has literally remote start, the gauges work, push button start, everything. I'm really excited to see. I haven't seen it in person yet. We're about to pull up to his house, but I wanted to go ahead and get the intro going right now. Hopefully he's not camera shy or anything like that, and we can ask him a bunch of questions. Check it out, because he's gonna be doing the work on the Fox. Whenever the Fox gets done painted, we're gonna bring it back up here. Yeah, we're gonna have to travel 15 hours again to bring the car up here. But the guy sounds like he knows what he's doing. He showed us a bunch of videos. I'm gonna notch this, I'm gonna do this, and fit the dash in there this way, and he has it good. So we're about to pull up to his house right now and check it out. What do you think?
I don't know. Excited. I want to see what his car looks like.
Yeah, we're really excited, man. He said he has a notch outside, and if you guys know me, I'm a big fan of notches, and he said he has a white notch that he might be looking to sell. So if it's not too expensive, you know, we might be walking away with another notch, but we'll see, man. So I'll show you guys right now, and check it out.
Sure, when you were doing all the quotes, that you thought that it still had the motor in it.
No, I can.
I thought you were gonna have to pull this one also, and I was like, well, no, let me know when it's done. You can open it up. I got the seats already loose.
What's up, man? Chris.
I needed to find out if everything's there, every single thing.
Yeah.
So
yeah, they left the window. You know how it goes down whenever they left it open, so it got a little bit wet right there.
Yeah, the dumbass. Man, you close it like that. I said all you have to do is just push it down before you close it, and it would have gone.
And it would have sealed, yeah. Yeah. So I forgot I have the deck lid at the house, and the camera's still in there. So
I gotta
you got your Ford camera to work?
Yeah, mine's in there.
So how did you do it? You took it out and you molded it in there, or what?
You get a rubber grommet.
Okay, you could do it.
Yeah,
okay,
it's in mine.
And I'll probably bring it from him and have you install it.
Hell yeah.
Now, how about the? And I'm gonna have a shitload of questions for you, man. A lot of them.
Oh hell yeah! Where your trunk goes?
Wow.
Is this the antenna from the S550?
Yes, sir.
Damn.
Where's this? So how do you pop?
Shit.
Oh, you even put the latch or everything in it?
Hell yeah.
Well, the Foxbody's got a latch on already, electric latch from you're supposed to press it from the.
Yeah.
So I just wired in the S550.
Look, he has a sub in there too.
That's the shaker system, everything. This is the dirty part of it. I ain't got this finished yet, but yeah, this is a.
Hell yeah.
It is.
Hell yeah. Dude, it looks like it fits perfect in there, like it's made to be in there. Yeah, so he even has the IMRCs in the back, AC, heat works.
Dude, how the hell?
Fuse box. So these are Scott rod panels also?
Actually, I'll see the white. You get down here. I'm doing the white one, the same thing.
Oh yeah. What year is that one?
87.
I was about to say, it's a 4i?
No, it's a Arrow.
Oh, okay.
First year of the Arrow.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it all works.
Hell yeah.
Like, alarm and shit, man. You stick your arm in the campaign. Well, it'll set it off.
Oh, you put the fuse box over here. It looks nice and neat, man.
All the alarm
It
stuff
don't really
works.
look that bad.
Hell
I
yeah.
kept it there, but I mean, you said something about putting it in
Yeah,
the
I mean,
trunk.
I heard of the. When I saw a video where they brought the wires in through here. They put a hole through there.
And get in there, start it up.
Hell yeah, man.
They brought the wires in through from there. They brought them in, and took them to the bottom and took them out the back.
Dang, this is crazy. Foot on the brake, key. Everything works. Gauges, trip and fuel, AC's blowing badass. Heated and cooled seats. This is literally one of a kind, man. Holy shit. Dang, you have the S550 lights in here. That's crazy.
I got a molded back in that. I got a going back to the 8-sack box and then just bring it up to the top here. I wasn't doing all like cutting. That looks like crap.
Well, yeah,
Dude, that shit's crazy, man. It fucking blows cold as hell. Like, he has the S550, the lights on the top.
Where's the dryer and shit go?
What? Right here.
Dryer.
On the S550 condenser right here, the dryer's right there. It's clean.
Oh, it's so. Oh, man.
You guys just got out of your truck. After we eat and shit, I'll take you for a ride, dude. It's
Hell yeah.
fast as a motherfucker. He's got the panel shits on that work. Everything on that.
Dude, he even have the Sync 3 with the CarPlay and shit. That's badass.
So what are you using for power steering?
Volvo pump. Like you were talking about getting that C50.
It's a little
Yeah.
stiffer.
I got a Volvo pump that I like it. It's a little tight. You feel like it's a little tight.
Yeah, but it cleans up the engine, babe.
Cleans it up. Charger has got a better pump.
Yeah.
It's like you can feel it's got a little bit of delay in it when you have to stop. You got like once you go on, it'll kick on.
Yeah.
But when you're rolling, you don't even notice this shit is perfect.
Dude, it's like, the heated and cooled seats work too?
Hell yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna need for you to mold this. The car, you're gonna have to put something in there, the bracket, right? You're gonna have to cut it out of that one.
What I do is I take the bracket that snaps this into there, I take it off that headliner, and I mold into this headliner, and I cover
Well,
this.
I'm gonna have to. I've got a sunroof in mine, so we're gonna have to do something.
I was looking at the minute. That's what I was worried about. I think the sunroof probably comes like right here.
You don't have it.
I think you're gonna have enough room to put it in.
Well, this guy had a. You're gonna have to fucking jump it or something.
Well, yeah, you'd have to get power to it, but you got the key fob on your.
Yeah,
On
and
that,
then
you got a button right there too.
you still have the button for the radio
Yeah,
part.
so mine's still there. And here's kind of what I'm thinking about here. I got an old door panel here, and I've seen a guy that took a fiberglass with a fiberglass molded this, and he molded this into it, and he had it work.
Walk it down. Don't get run over.
Hey, the way you're unloading it, the loading.
Yeah. You want to get that bumper down too?
What exhaust you got on this thing?
Full master 40s.
Okay. S550 interior, Foxbody. Hell yeah. Yeah, dude, everything works badass.
Yeah.
What shock and strut combo do you have here?
Bilstein with MM coilovers on the front and this Bilstein in a cut 4-cylinder spring in the back.
Okay.
I get all these paddle shit, drive and shit.
Hell yeah.
It's heavy. I think my speedometer's like 5 miles an hour off or something.
Oh yeah, that's no big deal.
I think stock was 315, I'm running 327, so it's off a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, man, these windy roads are fun.
Oh yeah, love it. So there he is. I told you that cop sits up here.
Yeah.
Get past him. His ass. But yeah, it's nice back here. I like it. It's quiet. I used to live up in Troy.
Yeah, man, this hill country's badass. On a dime, dude.
Stops. That was
damn.
the thing is, I want to go fast and I want to stop this fucking thing.
Hell yeah, dude, that's nice. Driveline vibration is pretty bad once you get up to speed.
Yeah, so like about 100 is where it starts getting a little wonky. That's why
Yeah.
I'm like, I gotta get my mirror changed, get that angle fixed.
Yeah. But it's weird how it's fine right here, but once you get it up to speed.
Exactly. I'm like, it's just, oh, there's that car.
Yeah.
Boy, we're turning around.
Is he?
No, we're not speeding, so. We did that before he got there, thank God.
What's going on, guys? If you made it this far into the video, I greatly appreciate it. The video ended abruptly. I didn't get to make an outro for it, so if you're seeing this outro twice, it's because I split both the videos up between the Foxbody video and the shop video. So you guys will be seeing, I believe you guys will be seeing the shop video first. Yeah, you guys will be seeing the shop video first. So yeah, if you guys made it this far, I greatly appreciate it. Drop that like button, and here is the outro to the Foxbody. Yeah, man, a little update with the dad's Foxbody. He ended up getting that thing. He was supposed to be getting it painted down in the valley. I showed you guys whenever we dropped it off. That guy sat on it for 7 months, didn't even touch it with a piece of sandpaper. So we went ahead and pulled it from that guy, and my dad trailered it all the way back to Missouri. That's right, another trip all the way back to Missouri. Make sure my hand isn't in the shot. I'm filming on my phone right now. Yeah, all the way back to Missouri. 17 hours, guys. So My dad trailered it all the way back up there, had another painter look at it, and he was like, man, this thing is rough. Like, there's holes somewhere, I forgot what they said. So they actually decided just to ditch that Foxbody itself, that hatchback. So he's no longer doing a hatch. It's no longer the same Fox on the channel. That thing is dead. So they are gonna use it as a parts car because the guy that was there, remember I told you guys in the beginning of this video that we might be leaving with a notch. Well, my dad ended up getting the notch. It's an 87 notch. They're gonna be using a lot of parts off the hatch to complete it. So yeah, my dad's gonna have an 87 notch. Coyote swap Foxbody. It's badass. It's a 4-cylinder car, but still, it's a notch, and those things are badass, man. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. We'll see you guys on the next time. It's your boy. I almost said 4.6 Chris. Ray is built. We'll see you guys on the next one, man. Appreciate it.